any
I grew up in the army, and the legacy I have of, I grew up in the barracks, and indeed during June 4th, and my father was a senior officer who was not treated very well. So when I have to talk about Jerry John's legacy in that manner, I do understand that he has family and he has children who may not understand what pain he caused other people. And therefore, I'm not one to inflict or to increase their pain or revenge. There's one recent memory I have of Jerry Rawlings, which is when he presented me with a rose at a Peace Council event in 2016.
Did you ever have a conversation?
No, I did not. I didn't need to. So yes, may his soul rest in peace. I want to believe that he was here for a purpose. He came to serve that purpose. Sadly for me, it wasn't the most pleasant of memories. It hasn't been the most pleasant of memories.